This is just the cutest double-sided chalkboard that Funcils sent me. It is so bright and colorful and feels like really good quality. Love the dinosaur. I have 4 kids, 3 of which are boys, and my daughter who also does not mind monsters. So I like that it is reusable. They can write their own name in there and they can write everything. I'm all about them doing it themselves. And then here is the back of the board. I thought this was super cute, so they could use it and it's not just being used, twice a year. So I thought that was really cool. And it came with 3 chalk markers in corresponding colors, which I thought was really cool. I have a whole box of markers if they really wanted to change it up to write on here, but I like the options that it came with because they all color coordinate. Thought that was a cute little touch. And this thing is just really good quality. It's nice and thick. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. And I love that, like I said, you have an extra side that my 4-year-old can just color on. So I thought that was super cool. Definitely recommend this board. It's super cute. It's nice and big. There's my hand. Nice and big. Good size. Definitely love this thing.